Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to restore your power windows to their optimal performance, making them feel like new again. As cars age, window regulators can become less responsive, causing windows to move slowly. This is often due to dirt accumulating over time. To prevent this issue, it's essential to maintain the window tracks by applying silicone. This simple step helps prevent the windows from getting stuck and avoids the need for costly repairs or replacements of the window lift mechanism, saving you both time and money in the long run. Be careful when spraying the silicone lubricant. Make sure that you don't spray over the car's paint because it may hurt the paint coating. If you accidentally get silicone lubricant on the paintwork, it's important to act quickly to prevent any potential damage. Use a microfiber towel and a suitable cleaning product to gently remove the lubricant from the paint surface. Additionally, it's important to remove any silicone residue from the window's glass to maintain their clarity. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Drive safe, drive smart. See you later.